Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Google Drive message that says, "Server encountered an error. Please try again later." This is the full updated 2026 guide. This error usually appears when Google Drive fails to load your files, upload something, sync your data, or open a folder. Most of the time it happens because of temporary server issues, poor internet connection, browser problems, or corrupted local data. So let's go through the easiest ways to fix it. The first thing you should do is refresh your page and check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is one of the main causes of this error. Try turning Wi-Fi off and on, switching networks, or restarting your router if needed. If the error continues, try opening Google Drive in incognito or private mode. Browser extensions, ad blockers, and old cookies can interfere with Drive and trigger server errors. Using incognito mode isolates the problem and loads Drive in a clean environment. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies is another simple fix. Old or corrupted data stored in your browser can prevent Drive from connecting properly. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and try again. If you are using multiple Google accounts at the same time, log out from all of them and sign in only to the account connected to Google Drive. Account conflicts are one of the most common reasons for server errors. You should also try switching to another browser. For example, if the error appears in Chrome, try using Edge or Firefox to see if the problem disappears. If you're using Backup and Sync or Google Drive for desktop, try quitting the app and reopening it. Sometimes the Sync client fails to connect to Google servers, and restarting the app refreshes the connection. When none of the fixes work, the error may be on Google's side. Google servers occasionally experience outages or maintenance. You can check Google's service status page or simply wait a few minutes. Most server-side issues get resolved automatically. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.